Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a refrigerator, a upright refrigerator. So what is happening with this refrigerator? It's just off. The compressor is not running, it's not freezing, both on the top and on the bottom, but the light inside is working just fine. So it simply means that we have power to the fridge. However, it's not running. So what we need to do right now is to diagnose what might be the problem. So guys, I'm going to just single out what might be the problem first. We might have a problem with a thermostat, or we might be having a problem with an overload or a relay, or lastly the compressor itself might be dead. So these are just the guidelines on which one to check. So we can see here that this thermostat is at maximum, which is 7. And just as a disclaimer guys, don't mind the quality of the video. I'm just using a cell phone and I'm just alone. Everything I'm doing it by hand. Alright guys, so what is happening here is the thermostat, it shows that it's on as it should be. It's at 7, but nothing is happening. So the thermostat, we are sure that it's on, because sometimes the customers, maybe a child or someone might just come here and switch off the fridge like this. You see, might switch off the fridge like this. Then with the owner might come and say this fridge just off, and what whereas the problem might just be switch thermostat off. All right, now we can see that the thermostat is on. So what we have to do right now is to go to the back of the fridge like this and to test, to check what the problem might be. So already we've singled out the issue of thermostat. Alright, so we come here to the back of the fridge. You can see that this is the back of the fridge. You can see right there that we have the overload and the relay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test for you the relay and to test for you the overload. However, myself, I already know that the compressor is dead, but I'm just going to show you step by step how to test the relay and the relay and the overload. So, since I've already told you that the compressor is damaged, however, I'm going to check it for you again. I have this kit which I have with me right here. So, we have a vacuum pump, our gauges, our charging valves, our filter dryer. And guys, make sure that every time you service a sealed system, you change the filter dryer. And also here we have our map gas and our gun. We also have our multimeter, which is the most important for testing. So this is what we have right now, and we're going to use this to test. So guys, let me just show you what is happening here. So what is happening here is you have to test first the relay and then the overload. So right now, and also make sure that when you're looking at appliances, it's unplugged. You can test it while it's 100% off. So right now I'm going to go ahead and unplug it like this. We know that we are 100% safe. Okay, so we are here now. I'm going to remove the relay. Oh, I feel that the relay is warm. Someone plugged it like this. All right, so this is our relay guys. If you look here, you can see that we have 2 holes there. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our multimeter in diode mode, which is here, the one that has a deep sound like this. Then we test it like this. You can see that the resistance is 0.1, it's almost 0, and that is what we're looking for. Then we go ahead here and test the diode. We put in the holes here. Wow. And here you can see that we're getting a crazy resistance. Alright, this one might work. However, we expect, yes, around there. Yeah, so myself, I know that this relay might be working. So if it's around 38, around from 30, I can say from 14 to 30 something or 40, it means that the relay is okay. However, I removed the I removed the overload some time ago when I was testing, when I realized that we're having an issue with our, what do you call it, with our compressor. So guys, as you can see, this is our compressor right here. This is the information for the compressor. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just cut the pipes here and cut the pipes. As you can see there, we have a new compressor there. So I'm going to remove this compressor and test it for you. So this video I'm just going to show you how to test. I'm not going to show you how to remove a compressor and what. I'm just going to show you how to test it. Okay guys, so whilst we are still in dead mode here on our multimeter, I would like to show you that this is the ordinary compressor that we generally do for refrigerators. We have 3 terminals. Namely, this is the start terminal, this is the common terminal here, then this one is the run terminal. So what I'm going to do here is to test. I'm going to make use of, since you say I'm using just one hand, so I'm going to make use of these crocodile clips, or some they call them alligator clips. It's just the same. So you can see that I'm putting that one and that one. So it doesn't matter the polarity when we're using resistance here, which is diode mode. So we're going to test like this. We're going to put the first one here. Right now we're going to test across the terminals, or simply the windings of the compressor. So now we have put it like that. Then nothing is happening. It's just open load. When you show one, it means open load, or nothing is connected, or in this case you can tell that the compressor is dead. There is no connection between the start terminal and the run terminal. Okay. Or this one, you can confirm it by just touching this one. You can see that this one means it's connected. We're just trying to confirm that is it connected or not. Yeah, you can see that here we've put across one and start, run and start, nothing is happening. Okay, let's put it on run and common. It's showing 3. So it means that the resistance that we have here is too small, so that it means there is a touch. It symbolizes a touch. There is a touch. That alone can tell you that this compressor is dead. So let's connect it between common and start. Between common and start, you can see that nothing is happening like this. So it simply means that there we don't have a connection. However, there is a touch on run and common. So let's just put between run here, our red one, which is run, and our body. Look what we're having, 2. So it shows that this compressor is 100% dead. So right now guys, for the benefit of you, let me just go ahead and open this new compressor here that is still sealed, and show you what the results, of course it might be a little bit different, but this is just the rough just an average estimate of what the values are supposed to be. So right now I'm going to remove it like this. Okay, so this one, you can see this is a compressor, a quarter compressor there by Ice Age Appliances. So I just bought it a few minutes ago, a few hours ago. So now it's here. So this is our new compressor right here, R134A compressor, 1/4 HP horsepower. So the supply bought the relay. We have a new overload here and a new relay, and the covers and screws, everything is supplied. Okay, so right now we're going to go ahead, and don't worry, I'm holding it like this because they put these rubbers to make sure that oil cannot get out of here. Okay, you can see these are our 3 terminals right here. So we're going to put again our multimeter in diode mode like that. Okay, so the black one, we're going to put it here on the run terminal, and the red one we're going to put it on the start terminal like this. we can see our resistance is 42. Alright, we're going to remove, okay, it's 42, 43, yeah, around there. Then we're going to remove, and you see the wave 42. Then we're going to remove the start terminal and put it on the common terminal like that. Okay, so we're getting 16. You can see the difference there. We're getting 16 against 3. So you can see this one is a good resistance, is a good one. So now we're going to put here, you can see that between run and common we got 16. Then let's put it between start and common. Then you can see that we got 28. If 28, 27. So if you say 27 plus 16, what do we get? That is about 42. So what is happening here is, if we add the value between start and common and run and common, we should get the total that we get between between start and run. So this compressor is working 100%. So guys, thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. I'm going to show you another video showing you how to do vacuum process. So right now I'm just going to pause the video and do everything, then shoot another video showing you how to do a good vacuum. Thank you for liking, thank you for watching, share and expect more.